you have learned WordPress, you have learned web design, you have built a portfolio, you have watched client hunting videos on YouTube and taken notes on messages to send to clients from many YouTubers, and still you have no clients. There is more competition on Fiverr now. You are sitting idle, no clients, no orders. You are posting on Facebook, no response. You are telling people I do web design. Everyone says, okay, I'll let you know. And that letting you know never comes. At the end of the day, you think, maybe my skills are lacking. Maybe if I learn a little more, it will work out. Maybe the market is bad. But that is not the truth. I have seen many people start alongside me, but today they have dropped out because they didn't get clients, and now they blame it, saying all of this is fake and doesn't work, but I am still continuously working with my various international and local clients, and they just ask, how do you do it? It's quite funny. But the problem is not in the skill. The problem is you don't know where the clients are and how to approach them. And the videos you have watched, they only said or showed how to find leads. Then the video ended. The rest, nobody said it. Today I will tell you that rest. And at the end of the video, I will talk about how to practically do it. So, please make sure you watch the video completely. And if you are new, please subscribe to the channel. So, hey pretty people, welcome back again. I am Rifat Islam, and I have been freelancing for the past 4 years. And I'm a WordPress web designer and developer. In this video, we will learn how to find clients directly if you are not getting projects on Fiverr or Upwork or freelance marketplace. So, if you want to grow your web design business, you need to find clients directly. Before starting the video, let me tell you that there are many ways to get direct clients. You can follow any method, but the method I am going to share in this video is a tested method, and if you use it consistently, you will definitely start getting clients. In the second method, I will share a strategy using which you can get clients without any effort at all. It is a simple strategy, but it has worked for me, so I will definitely share it with you. So, let's discuss the first method of finding clients, how we can get clients using this method. You need to follow 3 steps. The first one is to find real businesses. First, you need to find real businesses. Make a list of them and remember to choose a niche that very few people have in mind or very few people know about. Avoid niches like roofing, electrician, or plumbing, because these niches are already widely developed and the market is saturated. So, you need to find a narrow niche where you can easily find clients, and very few people have targeted them. For example, I have given you an example, waste companies. Perhaps the idea of waste companies has crossed someone's mind before too. If you find such a specific niche, and then the cities you will target, if you are doing this in the UK, we won't target the whole UK. Instead, we will go to a specific city and research how many businesses are operating there. You need to make a thorough list of them. So, now you have a list of real businesses, and if you select the list carefully, you will see these are businesses that very few people have targeted. So, in our second step, you need to design, or if the client already has a website, you need to redesign it. Now you might ask, how can we design their website for free without talking to them? Or if they already have a website, how can we redesign it? You need to do this work. If you are a good WordPress designer or developer, you know that using a template, just by changing the logo, etc., you can quickly create a homepage and show it to your client. Later, whatever they ask you to change, you can do it. Then you can build the whole website. You don't need to build the entire website first. You just need to prepare the homepage. You need to design it well or redesign it. Now, if you work in a specific niche, the biggest advantage is that you don't need to redesign the homepage again and again. You just need to change the logo. You just need to change the main headings of the content where the company name appears. And your same template will be ready for the second company as well. Do the same for the third, fourth and fifth companies. If you consistently target 10 to 15 businesses, you will probably get a response from somewhere and recover the cost of all the designs you made in one go. Now, you can use this method for more businesses. If you run a web design company, you can also take the help of your employees. So, this is a proven way. If you keep sending emails like this or DMing saying I can build this, I can do that, then directly building the product and handing it to them or telling them that you can build it is much better for you. Now, as soon as the client is finalized, set up a meeting with them. You should refer them to a local SEO person. You should introduce them to full website design. Now, once you get this client, you shouldn't just design for them, but also sell them more services. You can offer services like local SEO, social media posts, and if you don't know all of this, you can outsource them. This way, you can get a good client and earn well from them. Now, this method is a little difficult, but it is a proven method. It works. You can use it to get clients from here. If you keep sending emails this way, you will never get any reply. Now, there is another similar method that I have tried, and it will also give you good results. It is a Loom video. You have a Loom extension that allows you to record your screen using Loom. Using this, you will record the client's website. If you find any mistakes, discuss them with the client and email the video. When you give the client something valuable, they will definitely respond with their feedback, and they will trust you, and only then will they give you the value you deserve. That was our first method, where you can also use a Loom video. You can directly pitch by designing a website. Now we have a second method, which is very simple. What will you do? Whenever you start a business, you introduce that business to your network, your family members and your friends. So you also need to introduce web design. And I used to think that we would never get leads from this. It is not a useless method, but I have also gotten many local clients from here. You need to introduce yourself and your business to your network in such a way that whenever the topic of website design comes up, your name comes to their mind directly and they suggest your name. It may seem like a very simple method, but I have gotten many clients through this, and I have built websites here, and you don't have to make any effort at all. You just need to introduce your business. So I hope you like both of these methods. In the first one, we discussed a professional method. In the second one, a local method. These two methods I use myself, and what has worked for me, I have shared with you. And what I wanted to say at the end of the video is that regarding the first method I talked about all this time, I have already done a practical video showing it. You can go watch that video. The link will be given in the description box or pinned comment. Also, if you want to know more and learn about client hunting and how to get clients outside the market, you can watch my channel's Client Hunting 2026 playlist. So now, if you like the video, please make sure to like it, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will answer. And now, if you need videos related to Fiverr or usable leads to try this method, I have already made a video on that. You can go there and see how to get 100 or unlimited leads in just one click. If you liked any video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. See you again in another video.